Okay, good morning everyone. I'm gonna use titanium white, phthalo turquoise, lavender, titanium white, carmine grana, copper, Prussian blue, and gold. All my colors are mixed with 2 parts floetrol, 1 part of paint, 1 part of water, and in each color except the basic color I have put 2 drops of silicone. I prepare my canvas first. I protect them very well because I want the back very clean. This is the way I find to put them a little up from the table. Okay, today I'm gonna do a diptych with the technique of Dutch pour. So I'm ready, my canvas are ready, I have my hair dryer ready, my torch and my colors. The idea of this diptych, I took it from Rinske daughter, that I love so much what she does, a lot of artist. So let's go pour. Okay, my colors are set now and I'm gonna torch for the bubbles. Okay, I think my composition is done. I'm not gonna change anything more. I like this. I'm just going to torch to open cells. Okay, so I think it's finished. I like how it goes. It has made beautiful cells here, and my golden is appearing here, so I hope I like very much this area. Okay, so happy. I'm very happy to have get my diptych, and I know that when it's gonna dry and varnish, it's gonna be okay. Thank you for watching.